Today we're making this delicious creamy peach ginger smoothie to nourish our crown, and this is going to be a quick one. If you're dealing with hair loss and want to reduce excess inflammation in your body, this might be a great one for you to try. Hi, my name is Lynn, and welcome to my channel where we share information, resources, and encouragement to support you on your hair journey. After being diagnosed with early scarring alopecia and not knowing if my hair would ever grow back, nutrition has become one of the many tools that I'm using to help me on my hair journey. So I'm here to share everything that I'm learning in hopes that it helps you too. Today, in honor of National Peach Month, we're making this delicious peach ginger smoothie. You can have it for breakfast, snack, or dessert. It's just that good, and with no added sugar, you can't beat it. Here are some of the benefits that you'll get from the ingredients in this smoothie. It reduces inflammation. They treat gut disorders, combat free radicals, excellent source of fiber with the peaches, the ginger, and the date. And peaches can help regulate blood sugar as well as lower cholesterol. Plus, they're delicious. So let's just get started. There's already some crushed ice in there from something that I made for my husband earlier, and added the peaches in there. I'm adding the collagen. You'll see that there. What I love about this particular collagen is that it has protein and collagen peptides. I'll link below so that you can see that if you want to purchase that. Now I'm going to add my plant-based milk. It's half coconut milk, half soy milk. The coconut makes it really, really creamy. Now I'm going to add the dates and the lemon wedge. I love adding citrus because it just gives it a little pop. And I only used one date. And then my spices, really important: turmeric, black pepper, ginger, and cinnamon. It's really important when you add turmeric that you add black pepper with it because it helps it absorb into your body properly. Next up are chia seeds, my favorite little powerhouse, great source of fiber and protein. I'm only doing 1 tablespoon there. I also have the recipe linked below. And then you just blend until it's creamy and it's smooth. It's delicious. I drank it actually while I was editing this video. So what's your favorite peach drinker smoothie? Leave a comment below and let me know if you plan on trying this one. If you want some more smoothie recipes, check out this link here. Enjoy, nourish your crown, and I'll see you in the next video.